welcome back to my channel. Jadi sekarang kita sedang berada di boat party dan hari ini tuh sangat indah banget, panas banget tapi sangat bahagia banget karena kan cuacanya itu sangat menarik sekali. What are you doing there? Very bright.
Yeah, and if you move the camera right here, it's more beautiful. So right now we're already left in Central, and as you can see behind the back is the Hong Kong Island. As you can see the IFC.
Yeah, but yes, it's very cool, right?
It's very cool. So as you can see,
Cool. So how's you feeling now?
I feel better. Thanks for the lemon tea.
Oh, alright, that's good.
It helps. Yeah.
It helps,
you know,
right?
Anytime you feel a bit sick,
Then you have to drink lemon tea.
just drink lemon water.
Lemon water.
Not tea because you know the tea is going to make you a bit sick.
Oh, really?
I guess better because it's going to should be your stomach.
Oke, dan sekarang kita mau bikin privacy. Mari kita lihat bagaimana keseruannya mereka. Mereka sedang mempersiapkan ini semua.
Okay. Can you help to
Open your mouth. Let me help you to hold it. Oh my god!
What is it?
Oh, tastes good.
That's good.
Yeah. Whipped cream, is it?
Yeah.
Lick it on your nose. That's a challenge.
That's the sound. Yeah, it should be on the frame. Yeah.
That's right. I've been there for 4 times.
One,
Two.
two. And your hair. Yeah. Tadi saya dapat ya.
I don't think I reached this now.
A bit closer. Yeah. You're lucky. Two.
Three. Is it 5?
No, it's 4. 4. It's 4.
One more.
It should be 5, right? It should be 5. Oh.
Just like okay, is he the winner? Okay, anyway, he's got this bonus.
Come on.
Woo! Oh my god!
But it's not the same thing, right?
You like that?
I can't breathe.
That's how you go.
Woo! Oh, I'm so scared. Alright, you can do it. You can do it. Woo! Finally, she did it. Yay! Your glasses, where is it? glasses here?
I think this way.
It should be that one, I guess. Yeah,